Alright, gang, this is the 1999 BMW 528i T-Wagon. This is the $1 million BMW. Yeah, 528i. This is the $1 million car, alright? That's how much you're going to have into it after you repair all the shit that breaks. So this is OEM from BMW. God, you gotta love that. Just the quality goes in before the name goes on, you know. Plastic. So one day this decided to grenade at one of these 15-degree days and 30,000 miles. So you can see there's where the hook goes in. And then this is a URO part. The maker is URO. It's this guy is metal, the way it was supposed to be. This is the smart people making it. So that guy's metal. It's not going to break. Everything around it's going to break, but that's not going to. And the cable goes in here. And when you go to load it in there, it'll easily just pop in there. So you don't have to take the door off. And there's the new guy. Let's see. I didn't have to take the door off to do it. You can see there's the one nut or bolt. And just like that. Just take that guy out. And it's real simple. I think I put that in and I think I installed that in 2 minutes. So it's a URO. It's a metal one. It's not the cheap-ass plastic from BMW. So anybody tells you have to buy something from BMW, don't do it. Because you're going to get the plastic, the cheap shit. Yep. You know, it's really too bad. This car has got 221,000 miles, and all this little molding is all busted up. But, you know, it's a decent car. So, anyway, I just thought I'd show you about these different handles that are available from I got this from Autohaus, Arizona, and they're fast to deliver. I think I paid $30 delivered, and high quality product. This is gonna be the last one this car is ever gonna have. It's metal, and 221,000. Yeah, this poor car has all kinds of small issues. But as soon as I get my other cars going, I'm not going to put as many miles on it. What a relief. Fixed. Next thing for this car is the 2 rear windows, front bumper, gasket for the valves, and oil reservoir repair. And, oh, the heater. The heater doesn't seem to work now. So, like I said, $1 million BMW. You know, and this car was like $39,000 brand new, and you know, I think if you sold it, you'd be lucky to get a couple grand for it. You know, it's a nice car, but holy shit, you know, for that kind of money, you'd expect some better parts. You know, it's really simple to do. I ordered the wrong ones, so I got the passenger side first. You know, I wasn't paying attention, and yeah, but there it is, man. Easy to install. Easy to install, real easy. Put the rest of this junk back in here. Deal with it later. So there it is, gang. Metal, nice metal part, not plastic. It's a good car. Fun never ends in my world. And I'm hiding the Porsche in the garage. Really tired of people coming by and, is that for sale? No, it's not for sale. Go buy your own. You know, go build your own fucking wreck. You know, go find a piece of shit somewhere and fix it yourself. And you know, the worst part of it is dealing with the Kmart, Walmart crowd. You know, well, I didn't pay more than $1,000 for mine back in the 60s. Well, fucking ain't the 60s, asshole. Right? Shit gets done slow around here. Last of the ski boots, man. I think I started with like 62 ski boots this season. That's all I got left. That's the last of the skis this year. It's all old stuff for people who ski like twice a year. And a couple telescopes I got in to hustle. 36 knuckle, I got the battery. Just got to put it in. Getting closer. Bunch of flight jackets. All good. All good. That's a Swiss backpack. I got like 2 of them here somewhere. Kind of cool. One of my friends thought it was some German World War II thing, and but it's a Swiss one. So, all right, gang. We'll catch you on the next YouTube. Fun and games.